Hello everybody, this is X again here with snow, the first snow of 2016, and it threw surprisingly about 3 feet of it, 3 to 4 feet, and it's actually quite ridiculous. And I know I haven't made a real life video, but just look at this. I have my spotlight on now, but this is a staircase here, and that's the railing, and you can see right there is snow up to the railing. Put in perspective, this is a truck, and it's over the tire, like about the tire level, and it's still snowing. It's still snowing. So when we open our garage door, you get this beautiful sight of a wall of snow. And I can't believe it's actually this high. But I figured I had to record this for you guys so you can see what it's like here, where I'm living right now. Our power was out earlier, but it's back on, hence why we have our spotlight on. And I'm sitting here shoveling it. My mom's down there somewhere. And, yeah, I figured I'd just give you a little taste of what it's like to live where I live right now. You know, having a great northeastern storm that just dumps a lot of snow. This is about 3 inches. This is not 3 inches. Oh god, this is not even close to 3 inches. I wish it was 3 inches. But to show you, it's like right here. It's about 2 feet, and here it's about more than 2 feet. So it ranges from 2 to 3 to 4 feet depending where you're standing. Right here it's about 2 feet, but again, you have to remember this is against my house. So this is what got blew up here and all that. It's actually quite amazing to see all this snow. It's not fun to shovel. We're shoveling little inches down there. I'm not sure if you can see, but you can see here where we started going down there. It's actually pretty amazing, but that's all for now, I think. I'll see you guys in the next video. Hope you guys have an awesome day, and I'll see you guys next time. Stay warm.